Hello everyone, welcome to Basics and Beyond. Today in this video lecture we are going to cover about Ramsar wetland sites. The Ramsar Convention is an international treaty for the conservation and sustainable utilization of wetlands and recognizing them for preserving the wetlands and their economic, cultural, scientific and recreational values of the wetlands. It means that they are recognized for the preservation as well as sustainable use of the wetlands. Now we will cover the Ramsar sites in India, and we will start first with the southern states of India. As you can see from the map that the state of Karnataka do not have any Ramsar sites. However, the state of Kerala and Tamil Nadu, they have 3 and 1 Ramsar sites respectively. Let us learn the Ramsar sites of Kerala first in a systematic order from north to south. While moving from north to south, you will first encounter Bembanath Lake, which is famous for boat race. Further south you will find Sasthamkota Lake, and the further south in the Kerala, you will find Astamudi Kayal. In the state of Tamil Nadu, you will find Point Calimere Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary. You need to know that all these 4 Ramsar sites are recognized in the year of 2002. Now moving further northward. Again, through this map, you can appreciate that there are 2 Ramsar sites in the state of Maharashtra and 1 Ramsar site in the state of Andhra Pradesh. In the state of Maharashtra, you will find from west to east. In the west, you will find Nandur Madhyameshwara wetland, and further east you will find Lonar Lake. You must know that Nandur Madhyameshwara wetland was recognized in 2019 while Lonar Lake in 2020 respectively. And in the state of Andhra Pradesh you will find only 1 Ramsar site, that is Koloru Lake, and it was recognized also in 2002. So if you talk about the southern region of India, there are 5 Ramsar sites which were recognized in the year 2002, and then in the state of Maharashtra in 2019 and 2020. In 2019, Nandur Madhyameshwara, and 2020, Lonar Lake. Now we will move further to the western side of India, covering the state of Gujarat and the Rajasthan. Till now you must have recognized that the Ramsar sites are marked with the circle in a blue color pen. So there is 1 Ramsar site in the state of Gujarat, that is Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary, and it was recognized in the year 2012. And in the state of Rajasthan you will find 2 Ramsar sites, Sambar Lake, that was recognized in 1990, and Kyola Deoghana National Park, which is also a wetland. It was recognized in 1981. You must learn the 3 wetlands or the Ramsar sites in a systematic order from west to east. In the west in Gujarat you will find Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary. Further east in the state of Rajasthan you will find Sambar Lake, and further east you will find Kyola Deoghana National Park or Kyola Deoghana Ramsar site. Till now we have learned the Ramsar sites of the southern states, the state of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Further northern states of the southern India, that is the state of Maharashtra, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and the western part of India, that is the Gujarat and Rajasthan. Now let us recall again without looking at the map. Starting with the Kerala, in the north we encountered Vembanad Lake, further south Sasthamkota Lake, and further south we encountered Astamudi Kayal. All these were recognized in 2002. In the state of Tamil Nadu, we came across Point Calimere, which is a wildlife as well as bird sanctuary. It is also a Ramsar site in the state of Tamil Nadu. And we came to know that the state of Karnataka as well as Telangana do not have any Ramsar site. Now, covering the Ramsar sites in the state of Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, we came across in the west Nandur Madhyameshwar, and further east we found Lonar Lake. These two were Ramsar sites. These two are Ramsar sites in the state of Maharashtra. And in the state of Andhra Pradesh, we came across Koleru Lake, which is Ramsar site in the state of Andhra Pradesh. And as you can see in this map that while covering the state of Gujarat and Rajasthan, we came across three Ramsar sites. Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary in 2012, Samvar Lake 1990 and Keola Deoghana Ramsar Site 1981. Central India. Now, covering the state of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Madhya Pradesh has one Ramsar site with the name Bhojtal Lake. This Bhojtal Lake is present in the capital of Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. You will find there are two Ramsar sites. We will cover them from north to south. In the north, you will find Bhitarkanika Lake, which was recognized in 2002, and further south, Chilika Lake. This lake is very famous for the migratory species olive ridley turtles, and it was recognized as Ramsar site in 1981. Moreover, as you can see, it is marked with a bluish color sketch which indicate that this is a saltwater lake. Now, as you can see from the map that there are no Ramsar sites in the state of Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya, and the state of Assam, Manipur, Tripura, they have one Ramsar sites. However, the state of West Bengal possesses two Ramsar sites. Now, you can see here that Assam has Dipor Bill, recognized in 2002. This is Loktak Lake in Manipur, recognized in 1990. Rudra Lake of Tripura, it was recognized as Ramsar site in 2005. And then covering the Ramsar sites of West Bengal from north to south or west to east. In the north, East Calcutta wetland, and further south you will find Sundarban wetland. Sundarban wetland was recognized in 2019. In this way, we came across the Ramsar sites of most of these states. In the next video, we will look into the map of northern states covering the Ramsar sites. I hope this video was very much helpful to the value addition in your knowledge, and this will help you in the examination. Thank you.